Washington Street, 173 and 4 World Trade Center. I'm very sorry about that. So now that Tower 3 has found a tenant, construction will continue very, very soon. And it will continue to its full height of 80 stories. I'm sure Tower 2 will follow close behind it. If everything goes on schedule, they both should be up by 2016. So Towers 2 and 3 should be complete by 2016 at the latest, if everything continues as scheduled. Again, temporary staircases are gone from the antenna, except for the few on the bottom. I think there's like 1 or 2, maybe 3 pairs of temporary stairs left. And as the communications rings finish up, the guy wires will later on be installed. Right there. Alright, I am back at West Street and Albany Street. Alright everybody, so as I said earlier, yes, Tower 3 has found a tenant and will be continuing. And if everything goes on schedule, Tower 3 should be complete by 2016. Same goes for Tower 2 as soon as it finds a tenant. I'm pretty sure it will very soon. Alright everybody, it's now time to go over to Brooklyn Bridge Park and take a look from there. Alright everybody, I'm on the Manhattan Bridge again, and I got a little too much direct sunlight coming into the camera, so I'm going to have to try to work with this here. Too much direct sunlight into the camera lens itself can cause damage, so I need to see what I can do here. Right, here's 1 and 4 World Trade Center again. Again, I'm limiting my movement because of the sunlight. Direct sunlight into the camera lens may cause damage, so I got to be careful. Alright, I'm still walking over on the Manhattan Bridge. I need to maneuver this camera properly because of the sunlight. There again is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Okay, this is much better. There's 1 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and Tower 4. And then within the next few months, well, not the next few months, but I'd say within the next 6 months, Tower 3 will start rising up too. Give it about 6 months, Tower 3 will start up too, right next to Tower 4. Alright, I'm going to continue down to Brooklyn Bridge Park. Alright everybody, here we are yet again, Brooklyn Bridge Park. The antenna spire really looks a lot taller now that all the temporary staircases are removed. Except for a few of them. Again, I got to be careful due to the sun. Alright, I found a little bit of shade here. So yeah, within the next 6 months, Tower 3 will start to show up. right next to Tower 4. Tower 3 will slowly start rising up.